Hi guys, welcome to the Teaching and Learning. Today lesson 44, the Rogers Humanistic Theory. Guys, I'm uploading the series of the theories which is really important for the pedagogy test. I have noticed and got the feedback from the teachers who have attempted the pedagogy test. I'm talking about the recent and the previous, in which these theories were highly or questions were included from these theories, which I have mentioned, the Drucker's in a different part of the misbehavior of the goals, Maslow's theory, and today I'm sharing the information about the Rogers humanistic theory. So I'll suggest you that watch this video till the end of the lesson, and there's a lot of the important information. It will help you in your pedagogy test and attempt. And those, thank you so much for your feedback, who personally thanks me for their high score, and they share the screenshot for the that they have passed their pedagogy test. I really appreciate it. Thank you too. It's all your efforts. I'm just trying to share the information. I'm not doing any rocket science. I'm just summarizing the information. I'm just collecting the information. I'm just telling you that which information you have to focus on. I'm giving you sort of the questions as well as you. It's all your efforts, friends. So today in this lesson, what I am going to tell you about the Rogers, the theory of humanistic, and who was Roger. What is the relation of the Rogers theory with the Maslow's theory, and how these theories are working together. So let's see. First, who was Roger? Carl Roger, he was an American psychologist, among the founders of the humanistic approach to psychology. As you know that Drucker, he was also the psychologist. So these all things are related with the psychology. Keep in your mind, misbehaviors, changing, achievement, high achiever, low achiever, great achievers. As an educator, you have to think about it. These all are related with the brain and psychology. He born in 1902 and died in 1987 in California. So this is about a brief introduction about the Carl Roger. Now here I'm showing you what he said about. He said about the self-actualization, and similarly, and he Maslow also focused on the uh, needs of the hierarchy needs, in which self-actualization is the first. Let's see what is the main point of the self-actualization. As you know, the self-actualization is the ability of something to prove by oneself, and how oneself can prove. Okay, it can be through the hard work, it can be through motivation, it can be through the skills, it can be through to think creatively, through innovations. These are the some uh, possible methods that we can self-actualized achieve through the full potential. Now what we want to achieve, everybody has a different goal. As a parents, they want to achieve the satisfaction of their children. They have a goal for their children. Teachers uh, to achieve, okay, the highest score of their children and attainment and the progress. Okay, everybody's achieve, okay, to have the target, to create something, to innovate something. The success, some want to be a businessman, some want to be a businesswoman, some want to be in ICT, some want to, they want to achieve. Okay, and this is about achieving high potential. And for that, what we need motivation. What force is driving you to work properly? That's a motivation. So motivation is the or is the tendency, okay, which is enforcing you to achieve whatever you have desired. So let's see what Carl Rogers said. In 1959, he believed that humans have one basic motive, that's a success. That's a tendency of to self-actualize, to achieve something or to create something, and to fulfill one's potential and achieve the highest level of the human benefits we can. Carl Rogers believes that for a person to achieve self-actualization, they must be in the state of congruence. So this is, congruence. This is the self, what we call, what exactly a person need. Okay, while somebody is going to be success, somebody is want to achieve at the highest level of something, he should uh, put all the efforts, and he should be motivated. In other words, motivation increases as the needs are met. Of course, if you are motivated, what factors are motivating? That same time they are driving you to apply the full potential. Now, what Maslow said self-actualization is the ability to become the best version of the one oneself. Of course, yes. And how you gonna be the best version of that one? Through hard work, through motivation, and through applying the full potential. Maslow stated this tendency might be phrased as the desire to become a more and more what one is. Now, what is the desire? Now, desire is something that you want to achieve. That means you like it, you want to be, and for that you don't care. You are applying all your energies in order to achieve that position, to become everything that one is capable of becoming. So this is the self-actualization, and Carl Rogers and Maslow'S, they both work on it. So let's see what the Roger further said. Carl Roger believe that humans have one basic motive, that is the tendency of self-actualization, to fulfill one potential to achieve the highest level of. For example, flowers will grow to its full potential if the conditions are right. Now means if you want to achieve, if you want to success, you need an environment. The environment in the classroom for learning environment is a key factor. If you are working in the office for your success in the environment, if you are bringing up your children, that needs the environment. What environment you're going to provide them, you are expecting the same level of the achievement. So the environment is one of the important factor of to achieve the highest level, to apply the high potential, to desire and to succeed in a certain goals. But which is a constrained by its environment, so people will flourish and reach their potential if their environment is good enough. So if you're going to have a look on it, okay, and the children who brought up in a good environment, and the children or students who have a good environment in the school, their attainment and their progress is quite different. So if you're gonna have a look on these things, if your environment is a good, and it is also helping you to perform well, and it will also help you to fulfill your desires. So this is the Rogers and Maslow's theory, humanistic theory, that about the self-actualization and what is the self-actualization. So I hope that you like this information. If you have any question, you can write in the comment box. If you want more videos like that, press the bell icon button. Your subscription is my motivation. So don't forget to subscribe the channel. If you have any suggestion, that will be highly appreciated. Stay blessed and stay safe. Thank you so much.